Thinking about starting your own business in Texas? Getting your LLC off the ground can seem complicated, but it's actually straightforward, especially if you know the right moves. Today, I'll walk you through the key steps to set up a Texas LLC quickly and affordably, plus some pro tips to save time and money. First, choosing a name that fits the rules is critical. Many filing errors come from name issues, so spend a little extra time here. Make sure your LLC's name ends with Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC. Avoid names that suggest a government agency or other regulated business. No pretending to be the bank or insurance firm. Ensure the name is unique by checking the Texas Secretary of State's online database. You can also call to get the latest info. Calling early in the day often means less waiting. Once your name checks out, it's wise to snag the domain for your future website, even if you don't plan to build it immediately. Securing your online presence early prevents someone else from grabbing it later. Next up is selecting a resident agent. They handle official notices and legal paperwork for your LLC. You can be your own or pick a trusted friend, family member, or professional service. The key thing, they need a physical address in Texas, no P.O. boxes. Paying a service like filingfox.com about $10 a month could save you hours of hassle. For privacy and convenience, many choose to work with a registered agent service. They'll scan and upload your mail online so you can check it anytime. The most important step is filing your Certificate of Formation, also called Articles of Organization. This document includes your LLC's name, registered agent info, and how you'll manage it. Form 205 is what you'll fill out, with a fee of $300. Out-of-state residents will need to submit Form 304, with a $750 fee. Filing online is the fastest method, usually about 13 to 15 days for approval. You can also mail, fax, or drop it off in person. Here's a tip. If you're a veteran, you might qualify for free filing by submitting a veteran verification letter along with your form. Plus, your franchise tax could be waived for up to 5 years. While not required by law, drafting an LLC operating agreement is a smart move. It clarifies how your business runs, covering ownership, profit sharing, decision-making, and member responsibilities. Many banks will ask for one when you open a business account, and it helps avoid conflicts. You can find free templates on our site, making it easy to get started. Finally, obtaining an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is essential. It's your business's ID with the IRS, needed for taxes, hiring employees, and opening a bank account. You can get this for free by filling out the IRS's online form. The process takes just a few minutes, and we've linked it in our resources. Once registered, remember to keep your business financials separate from your personal ones, using a dedicated bank account and credit card. Consider working with an accountant to keep your finances in order and start building your business credit early. Also, think about getting business insurance to protect against risks, as well as creating a website, which is increasingly vital for credibility and outreach. Each year, you'll also need to file a franchise tax report and a public information report in Texas. These are part of maintaining your LLC's good standing. If revenues stay below a certain threshold, you may not owe much, but filing is still required. Using services like filingfox.com to handle these filings can free up your time for running your business. That's it. You now have a clear picture of what it takes to get your LLC set up in Texas. All the resources, links, and templates I mentioned are in the description below, so check those out. If you're serious about making this happen, guides and local expert lists are also available on our site. Got questions? Reach out at info@filingfox.com. We're here to help you turn your business dreams into reality.